Good morning, everyone. I will share to you my dream. My dream is I dream a tree, a tree with no leaves. I dream a tree with no leaves. I dream a tree like a thorns, like a crown of thorns in the head of Jesus Christ. I dream the crown of thorns, and this is the revelation of the Lord. The crown of thorns represent the mindset of the Lord. The crown of thorns represent the boldness of the Holy Spirit. The crown of thorns represent the authority of Jesus Christ that given to our life. The authority to change the life, the authority to change the mind, the authority to renew our mind. And this crown of thorns is like the cross, like a tree. The tree, the, the cross made by the tree. And the body of Jesus Christ is like a tree. Without going upside, without going to the tree that represent Jesus Christ, we cannot stand, we cannot bear fruits, we cannot gain any leaves or any fruits without tree. That is why it is important that we can connect ourselves to the tree in order for us to gain fruits. And the fruits of the Spirit is love, patience, kindness, respect. The Spirit of the Lord is goodness. The Spirit of the Lord is powerful. It changes life. It renews our mind. And God is teaching me the dream last night. I see the crown of thorns that shade the blood that shade in the mind of Jesus Christ to change us. You know, I know that it is impossible for you to change your life. But if you apply the thorns, if you apply the mind that God has given to you, the authority to overcome, the authority to set yourself free from all the bondage. If you just humble yourself, if you just accept Jesus Christ, if you just admit that you are sinners, if you just humble yourself to God, and if you just bow down to God, knowing that you are not without Christ, without the changes that God will give in to you, you have to emphasize the power of the thorns, because the thorns give Christ the power. He humbled himself because of thorns instead of choosing the very best crown. God has a power because he has a very good crown in heaven. But he chose the crown of thorns, the very humble crown. And you have to wear that crown in order for you to meet Jesus Christ. You have to humble yourself before God. That is the crown of humbleness. The thorns represent the humbleness, the humility. And if you apply that humility to yourself, you will applying the thorns that Jesus Christ given to us. The spirit of humbleness, the spirit of knowing ourselves that we are nothing without God. And that revelation to you. Don't think yourself that you are so much wise, because God will destroy the wisdom of the wise just to make you bow to Him. God will destroy the wisdom of the wise. God will destroy the wealth of the rich man. God is like a wheels. Like a wheels. God is like a wheels. And the wheels represent the judgment of the Lord. And you will come bow to God the moment that God's wills and the God judgment will come, you will bow to God. And before the judgment come, God is inviting you to ask forgiveness to the Lord, because the time represents the judgment of God. You are neglecting the time now, but soon, when Jesus Christ comes and there is no time to ask forgiveness, you will realize that the time is very important. You will realize that asking sorry to God is very important.